Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Marshall Stockwell II wireless Bluetooth portable speaker and you are trying to pair it to your iPhone, to your Android, to your PC, to your tablet, your computer, etc. Now, once you get it paired to that device, every time you turn it on, it will then automatically connect and pair to it. But you will need to set it up for the first time. So this is and you also want to do this if you want to switch it from something that's already paired to something and you want to switch it over, we can do this as well. So first thing we need to do is make sure our speaker is on. So we just need to, it's an old school turn dial on the volume. Just make sure it's not turned all the way to the left, so it is on. And then from there, we're just going to press and hold this Bluetooth button for about 2 seconds until this light starts to blink. Once that light starts to blink, then we can go to our iPhone, our Android, whatever, to the list of available Bluetooth devices and select the Stockwell II from the list of devices and then accept the pairing, and from there it should pair automatically. Now we can pair it and then we can pair it to something else and it will pair to 2 things. If we pair it to a 3rd thing, it will knock off the last thing that it was paired to. So anyways, and then you should be good to go with your pairing. Now, if you're having issues with it not pairing and that's why you're here, it's not working, one of the things you might want to try is a factory reset, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do the factory reset, and then you can try to pair it like a new device. But anyways, if this worked for you, I'd really appreciate it if you could just leave me a like on the video. It helps a lot. Thanks a lot.